1979 Chevrolet Z28. 350 underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, AC. That 350 is paired up with an automatic transmission. This will be a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. Original white car. Bucket seat interior. Blue deluxe cloth. And those are the original colors. This was produced back in 1979. If you want to see the still pictures, you can see the underside, interior, engine bay at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. FYI, looks like original interior. There are a couple little burn spots in the seats, also on the driver's side. We'll get around to that side, start it up, let you hear it run, check it out a little closer here in just a bit. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right. Let's check out this interior a little bit. Probably close to 100 pictures of this car online also. So, power locks, power windows, nicely equipped tilt column. Take a look at the seat here. As you can see, there's another little spot right there. I also have pictures in the still pictures underneath the floor mats. Carpets actually look good underneath there, so feel free to take a look at that. I'm going to pause this a second. I left the keys in the trunk. Need those to start it. Starts easily. Nice sounding car too. A little throaty exhaust to it. Let's take a quick look at this dash. Not too bad a shape. Flip around to the rear and hear it run. A little bit of cam to that 350. Alright, let's slip up to the front. Check out the engine bay. Wrap this video up. I'm going to have to turn off the camera here in a second. This is going to take a couple hands to get this open.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, here's that engine bay. Again, 350, 5.7 liter. Power steering, power brakes, AC, headers. Got some engine dressed up with the chrome valve covers, chrome air cleaner cover. AC has been converted from the R12 to 134. There you go. Real deal, 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we insist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.